Hello and welcome to the e-learning platform of Galgotias University. This is Suruchi Agrawal from Department of Mass Communication and I am the course coordinator for the subject Basics of New Media. And today we will discuss about Introduction to Subject Digital Media, New Media, Convergence and Online Media. Some experts say the world seems to be shrinking by the moment and increasingly becoming a global village in the modern era, thanks to the rapid technological advancement in the field of communication. The term global village, propagated and popularized by Marshall McLuhan in his books The Gutenberg Galaxy, The Making of Typographic Man and Understanding Media, is probably a mundane reality at the present times. McLuhan firmly believed that the globe could be contracted into a village by electric technology and the instantaneous movement of information from every quarter to every point at the same time. According to them, the changes in technology are occurring at a much faster pace now than ever before and have incredible effects on the communication between humans and their societal life. The escalation in the modernization of communication technologies and computerization has resulted in decreased cost and simultaneously increased the availability of instantaneous communication facilities as well as opened up new avenues and spheres for discussion and exploration. The term new media will in general refer to those digital media which are interactive, incorporate two-way communication, and involve some form of computing as opposed to old media such as the telephone, radio, and television. These older media, which in their original incarnation did not require computer technology, now in their present configuration make use of computer technology. So, what McLuhan says for new media? According to McLuhan, the term new media is relative term. 100 years from now, the media that we label new media will be considered as old media, and others will be wrestling with the new media emerging in their time. For that reason, some of the remarks McLuhan made about the new media of his days over 40 years ago are useful for understanding our new media. The quotes speak for themselves and are presented without comment, but as the reader progresses through this book and encounters our discussion of today's new media, they will see how prescient these remarks of McLuhan were made between 1955 to 1969. So now what is digital media? Digital media includes all the forms, text, images, audio, video, etc. which are transmitted through computer mediated communication technologies. In other words, contents in digital media are machine readable unlike the print media. This process is the digitization of information which are disseminated through different mode of digital media platforms such as digital media include digital image, online games, websites, social networking sites, e-books, etc. Digital media have been creating a new information age in which information are digitalized influencing on the society and culture. This unit will give you an idea about different concepts related to digital information age, including the concept of information society, information communication technologies, media convergence, etc. So what is basically media convergence? Before understanding the concept of media convergence, you need to know the concept of convergence. The word convergence means integration of two or more ideas, creating a new whole with similar characteristics. For example, in media convergence, old media such as television, newspaper, radio, etc. converge with the new media using digital technologies. So, the term media convergence can be defined as the connection of computer technology, media houses, media content, and internet for communicating media messages in terms of digital products. In other words, media convergence is possible through convergence of different technologies such as World Wide Web, smartphones, tablet computers, smart televisions, and other digital devices. In media convergence, three key elements are converged including computing, communication, and content. So, media convergence, the two basic characteristics of media convergence are basically media convergence is mergence of basically traditional media technology and digitized media technology and computer network. The other characteristics of convergence media is that it is a strategy of economy formed by digitization and networks of computer by communication houses. So, convergence of media through digitization and internet has facilitated global exchange of information. Technology convergence made things easier. The production process of media has become much easier. Cost saving has enhanced. Electronic transaction of required data has become easier than physically transacting the data. The gap between the producers and consumers has been diminishing, and the consumers of media can become the producers of content through media convergence. Media channels merge together as technology advances with the time. Media convergence emerged from 2000 with Web 2.0 sites. Web 2 facilitates user-generated content and interactivity for participation in content development. It has helped the users to produce content, consume the content, and also to participate and change the content of media in the internet. Media convergence and the social media have led to a content created by users, which in turn becomes participators instead of being mere audiences. Online media. Social media has become a most preferred form of communication medium for sharing views and opinions of the users. Interactivity, which is a key feature of social media, has changed the communication scenario in present time. Social media functions create virtual communities in the online platforms. You have already understood the term user generated content in the previous chapter, and the social media is an example of using user generated contents. Sharing photos, videos, piece of art, etc. with the world has become easy with the emergence of social media. Example of different social media platforms are blogs, YouTube, Facebook, WikiLeaks, Wikis, Twitter, Instagram, etc. It has also become a popular marketing strategy nowadays, as handling social media platforms for promoting products and services can reach large number of potential customers without solely depending on the conventional mass media such as television, radio, newspaper, etc. So what are the features? If we talk about features of online media, the very first feature of online media is that online media uses Web 2 applications of the internet. Web 2 refers to the second generation of World Wide Web, which allows people to interact with each other. Web 2 has changed the way the one-way communication approach of internet and made possible of multi-way communication among the users. So now when we talk about the second feature of online media is based on user-generated content, which means the users themselves develop the content on the social media platform. For instance, social media users can post any update in Facebook, upload video in YouTube, and also create your own blogs. Therefore, it allows more participation and freedom of expression for the users in comparison to the conventional mass media such as television, radio, newspaper, etc. It is because in social media, your content is not filtered by any gatekeepers, unlike the other forms of media. What other features of online media? The most useful feature of online media is that it connects people worldwide and facilitates integration among them. Exchanging and sharing information in social media creates. So, what other features of online media? The most useful feature of online media is that it connects people worldwide and facilitates integration among them. Exchanging and sharing information in social media creates collaboration among the users. The other features of online media is that information exchange in online media is asynchronous, which implies users can access to the information at their own convenient time and space. For example, accessing to social media account like Facebook, Twitter, etc. depends on your convenience. The Another feature of online media is that multimedia communication is another key feature of online media. It means you can share information in all forms such as video, audio, still photographs, etc. It integrates all media functions such as news, games, video sharing, photo sharing, and e-commerce, etc., which results in convergence of information. So here are few references from where you can take in-depth knowledge about what basically is new media. Thank you very much for watching this lecture. Next time we will meet with some new and exciting topic. Thank you.